What's up, guys? I just been doing some research. Maybe this will help you as much as it will help me right now. I changed my own oil because I'm tired of paying so much for an oil change at a dealership or a quick oil place. So I'm gonna get this reset. I'm gonna turn the key to the on position and not turn the Jeep on. I'm gonna push the gas pedal all the way down to the floor 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There, it did it. So I just turned the vehicle on just to double check, and it's there. So there you go. Put your Jeep into the on position without turning it, actually cranking the engine. Press the gas pedal all the way down 3 times, and it will reset. This is a 2018 JK, and problem solved.